Happy Earth Day! To celebrate this important day, this year, the RHS and a few friends have teamed up to give you our top tips to garden more sustainably.
Help slow and reverse the declines in bees, butterflies, moths and other pollinators by growing a wide variety of plants, including ones from different regions with a range of flower shapes and flowering in different seasons to support pollinator diversity.
Millions of acres of peat hold more carbon than all of the world's forests combined. They provide valuable ecosystems for plants and animals and act like sponges, reducing the risk of flooding. When we take peat for our gardens, carbon is released and habitats are damaged. Keeping peat in bogs, not bags, is a crucial part of the fight against climate change.
If each of us 30 million gardeners planted a medium-sized tree in our own gardens, schools, workplaces, community gardens, and then nurtured them to maturity, they would store the equivalent amount of carbon to driving around the Earth 11 million times.
Instead of using mains water from a tap, why not install a water butt or rainwater harvesting tank to collect rain from your roof? If you do need to use mains water, use a watering can instead of a hose. It's a much less wasteful option. So far, over 43 million litres of mains water have been pledged to switch to rainwater on the RHS Mains to Rains website. That's enough to fill more than 200,000 water butts.
The diversity of garden plants in UK gardens can be really high, sometimes even higher than nearby wild spaces. At the RHS, we want to map this garden plant diversity to make sure we preserve it and it's available for future generations. You can help us with this by mapping the plants in your garden using RHS Grow. There's already been around 5 million plants entered there by UK gardeners, and we know there's a lot more to go, so get involved.
So that's our top tips for planet-friendly gardening. We hope you find them useful. If you want to learn more, be sure to download the RHS Grow app.